What's going on, Jamaica? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. Yeah, so today we are going in the town, in Lucy town. We're going to sort out some business. Yeah, so me and Primetime Lando will get his TRN sorted out because I've been telling him from when I'm say, yo, apply for your TRN while you're in the US, and then when you come out here, you can finish it up or whatever, or get the information in your email. But you never listen. Anyways.
I did it online, by the way. Thank you.
Limatel.
I did.
Anyways, Limatel. People, so he never do it. Yeah. So we go to Lucy right now in the town and then get that sorted out.
Alright, come on. Even better.
I'll be a patrol lander dropping in people. Yeah, so we are going to town and get his TRN. Hopefully he has all the documents what I need, and then we'll be good. Alright, so I'm gonna take you all along with us on the journey and let you see exactly what's going on.
May I see it?
Yes guys, so the TRN is pretty much like your social security number in America. So in order to do any type of business transaction or anything like that, you're gonna need a TRN in Jamaica. So that's pretty much what the TRN is in a nutshell. You understand? So we're on our way now to Lucy.
Alright, that's all. You dig up the whole of the bush there, so. At this point, when I have voice, so me size up the road already, you know. So I know where I'm there.
Oh,
Pablo.
yes, people. So we just reached in a Lucy town. Here at the tax collector office and Primetime Lando. You know, so we just wait for them to open. They open 8:30. Once they open, we'll go inside and hopefully it's a smooth sailing process. But you know, you go already. And then in Jamaica, well, you have to go say it, but you know, he's in the front of the line right now. But hey, you never know. So yes, guys. Yes, guys, big up on yourself. You know, the entire process was smooth sailing. You know, smooth sailing, guys. I applied like a few years ago, online. Well, I print everything out and then send it in the mail. So my part was a little bit easier, but everything went smoothly. You know? Yeah, man. Yes, guys. So we'll start off the morning, you know, by taking care of business. You already know that, right? And we have some seafood soup, yes, so everything in it. Seafood, no, fish tea.
Fish soup.
Fish, a soup. You know, fish soup. Okay, so this is the soup we are dealing with. And the bud, pepper and nice. Just the way me like it. And the pot roast, they go on. How?
Pork, pot roast pork.
Pot roast pork, exactly. You got a menu me talk about pot roast pork. See it, yeah? When the next pot? Porridge. Plantain porridge in Orlando.
Plantain porridge, more that too. More everything. Porridge.
Plantain
I
porridge.
need a small cup of that. What's in this? Open up that one there, please.
More pork.
That is soup.
Oh, the soup.
Right here, people.
So that's the soup.
Soup. I just had it. Delicious. See? Let this up. Hold on.
Yeah, man. Everything so far, I'm gonna try, people. Nice. So we're gonna try the pork, you know. You see it and make you know what's going on with the pork. Yeah, man. If you're in a Hanover, you see it up in the hills of Kingsville. You know, so the right before you reach the Kingsville round about the crossroad. Yeah, man, check her out.
Everything that I eat.
So this is the roast pork, guys. Yeah, man. I order half pound night right now. I'm a pork eater, you know. I love pork. So that way I deal with it right now.
Yes, man. Plantain porridge, man.
Porridge, but
fish soup.
anything I can soup, you know. I want it. Cause we don't know if we'll eat what we're growing, so.
I'll give the Rasta boy beside pork.
You give too much pepper?
No, that's lovely. That's lovely. See all of the pepper on them, something there? Yeah.
Sweet, not true. You can't put it down, Marco.
No, yo.
You sell juice too?
Them are drinking.
What is that?
Chicken,
Yeah, drink them out.
Get one padlock for the fridge. But you go get one.
Yeah, you can't use plastic pot with them pork. You have to use your hand and, you know, digging it.
Hello. Everything.
You want some fish?
Everything.
Nice.
It's
You
porridge.
want fry festival?
I almost, we should have made one big.
You know, oh.
This is real good.
Festival already, you know. Funny time.
Oh, a chicken they cook porridge.
A festival, me have to make
You only have to have it. Let me ask you why you cook from
and make sure you wash your hands.
me. When I cook me in my bed. Who that sound like?
Cheers. Listen, the porridge, nice. Oh my.
Yes, people, so that is it for now. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Big up yourself. And remember, peace, love.